Evening, Fiona. Believe it or not, with the weekend coming up, the weather's looking pretty well behaved. We've got a lot of dry weather to come this weekend, and I think many of us will see some autumn sunshine as well once we get rid of some early morning mist and fog. But there is a headache for forecasters this weekend in the form of this weather front here to the east of the UK. It's made for a pretty wet afternoon across the southeast of England and East Anglia, and it just won't quite go away even as we go further on into the weekend. Through this evening, overnight tonight, I'm fairly confident that most of the rain will die out by the end of the night, and then patches of mist and fog will develop across England and Wales. We could see some just about anywhere, perhaps a few patches for Northern Ireland as well. Scotland keeps more cloud and some outbreaks of rain, some pretty heavy rain running to the north across Orkney and Shetland. So it could be a slightly gloomy start in some areas to Saturday, but as the day pans out, I think most of us will finally see some sunshine. But you can see we always struggle with a bit more cloud towards the far southeast. With more sunshine though for Scotland on Saturday, particularly in the northeast, much warmer than it has been recently. Some sunny spells for Northern Ireland and for Northern England. The Vale of York, though, could be one of the areas that we see the fog sticking until around lunchtime, and so it could be a little bit cooler here. The odd sharper shower is possible for the southwest of England and Wales, but I think very unlucky if you get caught in any of those. But it is the southeast of England and East Anglia that remain our problem area, if you like, in terms of our forecast through this weekend. It looks like we'll see that weather front pushing some heavier rain in here during the latter part of Saturday and the early hours of Sunday. But hopefully by Sunday daytime, that clearing away eastwards again to leave us with, I'm pretty hopeful, quite a lot of sunshine once any early morning mist and fog clears. And with some sunshine, our temperatures should reach the mid-teens. So it's a pretty positive outlook. And even as we go on into next week, fairly settled story. A largely dry picture. We could, though, get stuck with some lingering mist and fog, and that could keep us a little bit on the grey side. But overall, not too bad, Fiona.
Good to hear. Thanks very much, Susan.